Hello guys, this is Uncle Peter's Online Maths, and today I have a very important question for you. And this question is on the board. It says a car covers 400 kilometers in 8 hours. What is the average speed in which the car moved? Okay, let's calculate and see where this car is traveling to. Alright, the first thing, a car covers 400 kilometers in 8 hours. What is the average speed? The formula for average speed is distance over time. Here the speed is not given. The distance is given as 400 kilometers. The time frame which the car will travel is 8 hours. Now let's substitute our formulas. So we have S equals, what's the distance? 400 all over 8. So therefore the speed will be what? 50 kilometers per hour. So this is how fast the car will be traveling. And on this other side, we have the part B. I says find the distance if time is given as 40 whole number 1/2 hours. When you look at this number is a bit confusing. So what I just simply need to do here is this. Alright, solution. I'll change this to a decimal. This 40 whole number 1/2. So when I change it to decimal, 40 whole number 1/2. 40 is already a whole number. Then when I change 1/2 to decimal, okay, like this, 1 divided by 2. Alright, so with long division, I put it like this. I bring out the 2 and I put 1 here. Alright, 2 into 1 cannot go, that's 0. I put 10 here, right? That's 0, making it 10. 2 into 10 will go 5. That's 5 times. 5 times 2 will give me 10. 0, 0. Okay, that is 0.5. So we can therefore say 40 plus 0.5, which is then equal to 40.5. Alright, so we've done that conversion. We are using this as our time. So therefore, the time here is giving us 40.5 hours. 40.5 hours. But we are told to look for, find the distance if time is given us this, which is 40.5. What's the formula for distance? Distance is equal to speed times time. Alright, now the numbers are on the board. Let's quickly do our multiplication. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5, 25. Put down 5. Carry 2 here. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times another 0 is 0. 0 times 5 is 0. Now let's now go to this. Under this place. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 5, 20. I have 2 here. Around my addition, you know that inevitably multiplication leads to addition. But I have 0, 0, I have 5, I have 2, I have 0, I have 2. Alright, remember I told you the numbers they are given to me were in one decimal place. So I'm going to move a step backward. Alright, that will then give me 2025 0.0. That will now give me 20. There will be a movement from here to this place and to this place. So I now have 2025. Happy New Year! Welcome to 2025. So that car was actually traveling to 2025. And if you look when we're talking about numbers, 5 is representing grace. 5 is a number of grace. May God's grace abound for you this year. May all the desires of your heart be granted in the name of Jesus. Always stay tuned to this channel for the latest maths updates. Alright, wishing you a happy new year. See you guys.